as your beard is growing and changing along this journey, so should the tools that you use for your beard health and style. They should also change and adjust along the way. And in this video, I'm gonna break down all these tools and at what point along the journey you should be using them. But first, I would like to welcome you guys. This is the Volt Life-Proof Grooming's YouTube channel, and my name is Dan C. Bearded. I'm just one of the creators that helps out with this company. I encourage you guys to subscribe and check out the other videos. So many different things, from your lifestyle to your actual style to your beard, and different perspectives from different people. That makes this channel and this company pretty special out there. And of course, if you guys are excited for this one or you enjoyed the channel, please hit a thumbs up. All right, let's break it down. Early stages, you just started growing a beard, you have that stubble, you just got a really nice low beard that's coming through, maybe even a little shadow. Maybe you stopped shaving yesterday and now you're picking it up. What are we gonna use out of here early on is going to be your beard brush. Volt has a really nice one. See that beautiful wood there, the labeling, and you see those bristles. Now, this is gonna be your everything in one tool for those early days, for those early weeks when that beard is still stubble and still really short. Couple of things it's gonna do. Number one is it's gonna exfoliate the skin, right? It's kind of like my cheek up here where I have the shorter hairs. You're gonna get in there and it's gonna massage into the skin. What that's gonna do is promote blood flow to the surface, bring the nutrients to where we need them. It's also gonna kind of agitate and loosen up any dead skin cells so we don't have to worry about beard drift and beard itch. Amazing. Also, it's gonna spread out the product. Yes, early on, you should be using a couple of drops of beard oil on that facial hair skin to really get it moisturized, to really get it prepared for those hairs to continue to come out. And then also, what you're gonna do not underestimate this last tool when it comes to the brush. You're gonna start training those hairs in the direction you want them to go. Brush them, you're gonna have different like growth patterns, maybe you got a cowlick in there. That training is gonna make a big difference. You don't need heat, you don't need wax, anything else on those early days other than a good beard brush. So that's early on here. Now, we get a little bit of length, right? We get a little bit of body to it. You can pinch it, you can move the hairs, you really feel them. What are we gonna do? It is now gonna be your traditional wooden beard comb. This one has two sides. You have the more spaced out ones, the more close together teeth here, and they're gonna have similar properties to that brush, but the problem is once you get a little bit of length, that brush isn't gonna get to the skin anymore. It's not gonna get through the hairs anymore. We can still use this, but it's essentially gonna be a styling tool, not a health tool for the beard anymore. So when you're done with everything, if you wanna style it, you can still use this beard brush. We're not telling you to throw those away. But this is gonna get into the skin and exfoliate. This is gonna spread the products out, not only to the skin, but throughout the hairs, and it's gonna start to develop that style that you're looking for. Once you get to that, like, few weeks in, pinchable hairs, to even really a medium beard, once you're talking about an inch or two, this comb is gonna be your main tool that you're gonna use for the health and the styling of your beard. And that leaves us with the round Boar's bristle brush. And this is for really medium and long beards and has so many applications to it. If you got like a wave or dip along your jawline, this is gonna be the tool that you're gonna use to get it out. We have a video on this Volt Life-Proof Grooming's YouTube channel that demonstrates that. This is also gonna be used for your overall styling. This can also be used for specialized styling, like getting it underneath the beard and rolling it at the bottom, giving it somewhat of like a Santa Claus type of look. A lot of people like that and it looks really, really good. Long to medium beards are really going to enjoy this, but again, you can still use these other tools in different methods. But notice, as you get to different points, as you get to different styles, the tools should change as your beard changes. Now, I want to open this up to you guys out there watching right now. Please help out, get involved, leave a comment down below. Has your beard tool regimen changed as your beard has? Let us know your preferences. Let us know what worked for you, what doesn't work for you. Drop in there like the length of the beard at that time. And of course, do you have any questions? Is there something that you would like us to help you out with here? Do you have another video idea? We want to make these videos for you guys. And if you get involved, that just helps us out and helps you even more. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching today. Go check out those other videos on this channel. Check out the other content creators. Give them some love here. And we appreciate you guys watching.